Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get the convicted blue tick on Instagram, even if you have small account and without spending any money. So let's get started on how you can do so. So step number one is you need to understand the Instagram verification algorithm. First, let's talk about what Instagram looks for when verifying accounts. The number one thing is authenticity. Your account must represent a real person, brand, or entity. And your account must be the only one of its kind for what you represent. And your account also needs to be notable and widely recognized. If you meet these criteria, then you've already got a shot no matter your size. So step number two is optimizing your profile. So in order to do that, you'll need to make your profile look as professional as possible. You need to use a clear picture that represents your brand or identity and add a bio that clearly explains you or other verified platform to show your legitimacy. Step number three is building credibility outside Instagram. Instagram loves to see that you're recognized beyond just their platform, and here's how you can do that. So in order to do that, you may just get mentioned in articles, blogs, or news outlets. In order to do that, you may just reach out to local media, niche blogs, or industry platforms, or pitch your story or work. And you need to use other verified social media accounts like Twitter or Facebook to boost your credibility. If you don't have it, you may just directly go ahead and link your Twitter and your Facebook to your Instagram account. And the main thing you can do is collaborate with influencers or brands to increase your visibility. Collaborating with influencers makes your audience more. It helps you to represent yourself in a wider audience. Step number four we can do is stay active and engaged. In order to do so, you need to post consistently and engage with your audience. So how can you do it? In order to do that, you need to share high quality content that aligns with your niche. Interact with your followers through comments, stories, and direct messages. Use trending hashtags and tags to make your content discoverable. And step number five is we can apply for verification. Once you build a strong profile, here is how you can apply for the blue tick. You may just head over to your profile and tap on the menu bar at the top right corner. After that, you will just tap on account settings, and here you can find this option called show that your profile is verified. So you're just gonna go ahead and fill out the form. After that, make sure all of your information is accurate and be patient. After submitting, it may take a few days or weeks for Instagram to review your request. Don't worry if you're denied for the first time, you can always reapply after 30 days. And that should do it. So by following the steps, you can increase your chances of getting the blue tick on Instagram without spending a dime, even with a smaller account. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching, and good luck with your verification journey.